I went to a Tony Robbins seminar. This was a long time ago, and it was about money. And he put us into two circles, and one was inside the other. And then the other one would move clockwise, and then the other one would move counterclockwise. So you're always going by people like this. And what we had to do before we started walking was we had to bring a bill out of our wallet. You could choose any denomination that you wanted, and you had to hold it toward the other circle and just hold it there. And the other rule was that you had to at least do one exchange with another person. But you're moving so fast past each other because you're going in opposite directions, you didn't really have a lot of time to think. And the goal was to see if you actually finished the exercise with more money than what you started with. Very interesting exercise. I'll never forget that. And what that told me, what I got out of it at least, was how aggressive, conservative I was with money, how fast I could be on my feet, identifying who had a larger bill than mine. And then you had to take that dollar, you had to exchange it. Somebody else actually had to exchange it with you. So you weren't just taking it, you had to work with their will in order to exchange that money. It was a very powerful experience. Get my free indicator, which is already hidden in your trading platform, that answers the question, where exactly should I enter my trades? Go to entryindicator.com, and I'll show you exactly how to use it for precision entries.